Hello everyone, my name is Jane. This is EION Weekly Gold Review. The gold price rose about 2.66% last week from 1,809 to 1,859 an ounce. Investors sought safely mainly due to the tensions between Ukraine and Russia. But intensifying inflation data continue to raise the certainty of the rate hike and put gold under pressure. Last Thursday, the released inflation data showed that the US consumer prices surged to a 40-year high as prices rose 7.5% in January, the sharpest annual rise since February 1982. The markets appear to recognize that the highest prices in the US are no longer transitory and it is a major problem in the US that urgently needs resolving. To manage it, hiking interest rates are undoubtedly the most effective measure to counter high inflation, and the market believed that it was more certain that the US would raise interest rates in March. Upon the release of the inflation data, the dollar rose sharply and gold fell briefly, but it quickly returned to above 1,830 level. On the other hand, the US consumer confidence fell a stunning 8.2% from January to its lower level in more than a decade in early February due to weakening personal financial prospects, largely due to rising inflation, less confidence in the government's economic policies, and the least favorable long-term economic outlook in a decade. The gold price rose to its higher level in 3 months, surpassing a critical resistance level of 1,850 an ounce, following urge from the US president that any American in Ukraine should leave the nation as soon as possible in the next 24 to 48 hours, as Russia could invade Ukraine at any time. The news has also shaken the equity market as US major indices ended the week under significant selling pressure, with Nasdaq leading the losses by nearly 2.8%, while the US Treasury and US dollar index rose. In short, gold highs appear in times of high inflation and geopolitical uncertainties offset concern that rising interest rate will hurt the demand for gold. This week, investors will focus heavily on the US retail sales data as well as the minutes from the Federal Reserve meeting in the early hours of Thursday. And of course, the ongoing crisis in Ukraine. Thank you for watching EION Weekly Gold Review. Stay home, stay safe, and buy more gold. Think of gold, think of EION. Goodbye.